What is ModOffice? ModOffice is an AI building tool and, as the name suggests, an office software. You can easily download and install it, and then conveniently create your own AI models from your laptop or desktop PC. And all that without any programming or other IT knowledge. Our systems, ModPCB, ModSPOT, and ModAOI, are all based on camera-based quality inspections, and they can all use these AI models for that purpose. This type of quality inspection works in principle without artificial intelligence, but then quickly reaches its limits and misses out on several advantages. And that brings us to the question, why AI? A conventional camera-based inspection compares the match between a target image and an actual image. If there is a sufficient match, the component is classified as correct, otherwise as faulty. Under controlled conditions, and when potential errors are very easy to detect, this works well. But as soon as you have changing environmental conditions, like varying lighting or different positions under the camera, or simply more subtle and detailed sources of error, you get much further with artificial intelligence. AI doesn't just use a single target image for comparison, but learns complex patterns and features of components from a variety of images and can thus identify errors much more accurately. Pseudo-errors can also be completely avoided this way. With the right AI models, wiring, THT components, screws or surfaces, among other things, can be inspected. As long as it can be seen with the human eye, the AI can also be trained to recognize it. And anyone can create these exact AI models themselves with ModOffice. So how does it work? All our inspection systems, which by the way run offline, can collect data during operation. These form the basis for our later AI. Once enough data has been collected, it can be loaded into the ModOffice interface. Data management and the actual training of the AI take place online. Since data security is important to us, we use the Azure cloud for this, which also runs services such as Teams or Outlook. Upon request, there is also the option to set up an in-house server and run ModOffice through it, should company policies require it. In ModOffice, the data, meaning the images, are labeled. This is how we teach the AI what certain components look like or are supposed to look like. Now we just have to define exactly what the AI should be able to learn or distinguish based on this data. Once that's done, a single click starts the training. Depending on the size of the AI model, this is completed within a few minutes to hours. The AI can be loaded as a file onto a flash drive or directly onto the inspection system via a local network. It's then ready for use immediately and runs completely offline. No internet connection is required. Thanks to ModOffice's iterative structure, AI models can also be continuously developed. If, for example, a new component is added, perhaps due to a change in batch or supplier, just a few additional images and an update in the software are enough to create an evolved version of the AI model. The old AI model is then replaced by the new one, and you've evolved your inspection process with minimal effort. Finally, to summarize, ModOffice is software that allows you to create your own AI models. Compared to conventional quality inspection, these can perform significantly more complex and precise checks. Furthermore, inspection processes are scalable and can be adapted to new circumstances with minimal effort. Training takes place online, while the AI runs completely offline within the operating software. And most importantly, you don't need any programming skills or other external specialists for implementation and adaptation. A new program, even if well-designed, can be a bit overwhelming at first. It often takes a while to get an overview of all the functions and work with it effectively. To make getting started easier, we offer training where the software's content is taught in a practical and structured way. This way, functional AI models can be created from day one. You can find more information on our website,